Hi, today I'm with me HUAWEI NOVA 11i and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner task on this device. So I just set up my fingerprinter here to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint to see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct, and we just unlocked the device successfully without any problems. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcodes and PIN codes unlock methods. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.